Quatar Air reveals their Formula 1 aircraft designed by Swizz Beatz. So let's get to it.
A very good afternoon, everybody. Hello and welcome, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, esteemed partners, and the media. A very warm welcome to the Quatar Airways Technical Hangar, a place where precision, performance, and innovation take shape each and every single day. Now we're here to celebrate the final race day of the Formula 1 Quatar Airways Qatar Grand Prix, and who knows, it might be a title-winning day. We're here in the technical hangar for a moment that brings together the best of aviation, of arts, of culture and of motorsport, all under one roof and all in true Qatar Airways style. This afternoon we're joined by... Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the runway before you. And here it is, the Qatar Airways Formula 1 aircraft designed by Swizz Beatz, celebrating the art of movement, creativity and speed, and brought to you by... And we have a Formula 1 car.
What the hell? She's a driver.
She's a driver.
You can do that, yeah? Wow.
Sometimes I have to go there to get approvals. So I'm sure if I ask him to show us his identity, he will decide yes or no. So everybody wants to know who he is, let us please encourage him to do so.
Yeah, do we get a big cheer? Let's have a big cheer. Let's have a big cheer for 000. Yeah! Okay. Keep the applause going. It's lights out. Off with your helmet. You go, my friend.
A man of many talents. You had no idea that I could drive like that. You not first, you last, baby. Ricky Bobby, yeah!
Okay, we've got a microphone so that we can hear more donuts there than Homer Simpson, my friend. That was impressive.
And my baby, and my oldest fight, my baby, and my...
Kevin, make sure we get there safe, bro.
Yes, please don't crash. I just...
There she go. I know Kevin's an F1 driver now.
She's now an F1 driver. Are you going to do the donut? No, I can't.
We got Kevin Hart driving us to the plane, you know. He's an F1 driver now. There's Stefano and them right there. Everybody checking it out.
Plus our new amenities and everything. The amenities are new. We have also the products that comes like we have the everything comes like new concepts.
Oh, God! Barely.
Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and turn on bell notifications to get notified every single time I post. Thank you.